Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this look, and I call it a Raspberry Rebel. I don't know why, but it just reminded me of raspberry. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and don't forget to share, and also don't forget that I do have a Valentine's giveaway coming up on February 14th. And with that being said, let's get started. So I am doing this look using the Blood Sugar, and I have been really loving this palette. Now, I'm not a big fan of Jeffree Star, but I'm kind of like going over expanding a little bit more with his palettes because I have heard so many great things. This palette is so pigmented and I love it, so why not? Alright, so I'm going to start off by using my Maybelline in shade 10, and I'm just going to use this as my primer to get a flat surface, no rough stuff around it and anything like that. And now I'm just going to be using a small beauty blender that I got from Forever 21, and I'm just going to do blend it in my eyelid, whatever you want to say. And I'm going to be using this minion from the dollar store that I love just to get that nice straight line. Now I'm just using it on my outer V, and I am angling it towards the end of my brow tail. So yeah. And now I'm going to be using this brush that's supposed to be an eye crease blending brush, and I'm going to be going in with Coma. And I'm going to start off on the tail and just using small patting motion, and then going to the inner corner with patting motion as well. That way I can get my invisible line kind of going to see where I am going to put this. Literally just going back in and getting it to the color that I want, just patting it in small little motions, you know, going rotate. And the only reason why I like this this bundle of brushes is because on the end of the brush it tells you the names. If you guys are beginners, I do recommend this set of brush. It's from AliExpress, and it comes in a pack, so it's like 3 for a pack of 12, I believe. So you're getting your essential eye brushes, and they do say what they are for, which is amazing. And I will have the link down below so you guys can purchase it if you guys are interested. And I'm going back in with a contour brush, but I use it for my eye, obviously. And I'm gonna be using Fresh Meat just to blend out the Coma, and just get a nice blend. And like I said, I am using just small patting motions just to get the pigmentation that I want, and then I will be going back in and blending it out. Now I started from the bottom up, and I usually start from the top to the bottom, which is really not normal for me, but I wanted to experience a little bit more with this way of blending and putting on the makeup, and it turned out okay. I'm not a fan. I like to start the other way, but I'm working on it. And now I am going to be using this short shader brush. As you can see, it's smaller, and we're going to start with Cherry Soda. And this is our final color that we are going to be using for our eyes, so we're just going to put it up and just blend that product into the next. And yeah, that's basically what we're doing, guys. Just small little motions and going in little rotations. Just take your time, guys. I do like recommend that. Just take your time. And I'm just, like I said, just blend it out to your liking. And if you guys do not have one of these, it's just a sponge, and it's a makeup remover sponge or whatever, and you literally just clean your brush with it. It is the best investment that you can do, let me just say that. And I'm gonna be using this brush just to blend everything out. Obviously it's called a blending brush, so we're literally just blending the colors out. Now I sped this up a little bit, or speed it up a little bit, whatever, however you guys say it. I sped it up a little bit, but in normal motion, I am actually just taking my time and going back and forth and using small little rotations just to get that blending that I like. So take your time, and that's all I really say. Use a clean brush to blend out the ends. And now I'm just going back in just to get the pigmentation that I want with all the other colors. And you can do that as well. Just go back in and do brighten the colors up a little bit more if that's what you like. If you like brighter colors, then go ahead and use brighter colors and make it to the pigmentation that you guys want. Now I'm using this flat, round, Wet n Wild brush to put concealer on. But I am also doing this technique that is a really easy, just use a wipe, makeup remover wipes, do whatever, that just to get a clean surface for your eyelid. That way the product that you're using for your eye will be more pigmented and more clear. But as you can see, I am on my other eye, I didn't do this, but you still get the same thing out of it. So if you want to take an extra step and use the wipes for it to clean it up to get that nice surface, then go ahead, do what you like, as long as you get what you want, right? So now I'm just using concealer, and I'm going to conceal all the stuff, that way I can get a nice flat surface. Oh, and here's my little girl. Now she is my one-year-old and 4 or 3 months. I can't remember off the top of my head, but she's like 1.5. She wanted to get in the video a little bit, so she wanted to show you what she was watching, and she was watching Baby Shark. Now she just got into Baby Shark, so she loves Baby Shark right now. And yeah, that's my youngest. So I will be showing her a little bit more on my Q&A, so keep a lookout on that video. I have it filmed and everything, just gotta edit it. See, she sees herself and she points at herself like, oh look mom, that's me, kind of thing, which is really cute, don't get me wrong. She's a little cutie. Alright, now that that's over, we're going back and concealing. And I don't set my concealer as either, because I want the shade that I am using on my eyelid to be pigmented as fuck. And lately I don't set my concealer because I have been seeing that there is a big difference when I set my concealer or prime my eyes, whatever. When I do that there's a big difference when I set it. It just literally, the whole look is just brighter when I don't set it. So lately I have not been setting my concealers or primer, and I have been enjoying it. Now we're going to use sweetener for our eyelid, and we're going to be using the same brush. So we're just going to go in and, yeah, basically. And now we're gonna remove that tape. Now look at that line. It's nice and straight, and I mean, it's amazing. Alright, so I did my face off camera. My face is always the same, and I'm gonna be using the Glow Kit Sugar from Anastasia, and I'm gonna be using Gumdrop for my cheekbone, nose, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and on my forehead. And I'm also using this color for my inner corner, and I think I said the top of my brow, but my inner corner as well. Now, just a little heads up, if you guys like your highlight to be popping and blinding, then I would tell you to make sure you spray your brush before you put it on your face or whatever, before you highlight your face, because then you get more a bam look, like, bitch, look, I'm wearing fucking highlight, what now, kind of thing. But anyways, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just keep a lookout for my giveaway. See you in my next video. Bye, everyone.